Am I the only one who's pressed the gas and nothing happened? Or maybe you've noticed your truck just won't accelerate. Let's get to the bottom of it. When your Chevy Colorado's throttle stops working, it's usually one of three things. First, check your battery. A weak battery can mess with your truck's computer and throttle response. Make sure the terminals are clean and the battery's fully charged. Second, look at your throttle body. A dirty throttle body can block airflow and cause your gas pedal to feel dead. If you're comfortable, pop the hood and gently clean it with throttle body cleaner. Just don't force anything. Third, check for a loose or damaged accelerator pedal connection. Sometimes, the wiring under the pedal gets knocked loose or wears out. Give it a quick look to see if anything's out of place. If your dashboard shows a check engine light, scan for trouble codes. Most auto parts stores will do this for free. If these steps don't fix it, it's time to see a mechanic. Don't ignore throttle problems. They can leave you stranded. Remember, a non-responsive throttle isn't the end of the road. With a few simple checks, you might be back on the highway in no time.